What's up, YouTubers? Well, this is the Boker Mini Wiener Warrior. It's not a review. I'm not going to carry this knife. I got this knife in honor of the little dogs because this is truly one little dog. It is a 2.56-inch blade, as you saw. Anywhere that allows automatic knives are certainly going to probably allow 2.56-inch knives. So you rejoice anywhere that you have automatics allowed. Let's take a look at the size of this. Obviously, in a medium large hand, is very difficult to fit all your fingers on there. Let's go ahead and do a comparison knife. Of course, there can be only one. It would be the Boker Kalashnikov Desert Warrior, also a Blade HQ exclusive. Oh, by the way, it's a Blade HQ exclusive. That's actually a full functional and proper automatic. Not that this one is improper, but yeah, that would be kind of an actual useful one. This isn't overly useful, I think. If you just need to open up an envelope, probably be just fine for that. Let's see how this is definitely for small hands. Let's see how it fits in the hands of the nondescript biracial doll. If it fits in her hand, then it'll definitely be small hand approved. Yeah, you know what? Actually, look at that. It kind of fits in her hand. So, yep. Oh, it does fall out a little bit, but nondescript biracial doll gives it a thumbs up for a small hand carry. And really, what this is about is this is just honestly a celebration for the little dogs, and that's what this video is about. This just happens to be the knife that I think celebrates little dogs best. So we'll leave it at that, and I'm going to go ahead and just post some stuff on my dogs posthumously. So enjoy, or just quickly turn away. But have a good night all the same. Take care. Go get her. Go get her. Go get her, Gizmo. Come on. Go get her. Come on, Tiki. There you go. Good job, guys. Good job.